Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing a southern classic, shrimp and grits. If you've never had them, you gotta try them.
What's this over here?
You never heard of grits?
Sure, I heard of grits. I just actually never seen a grit before. What is a grit anyways?
It's made out of corn. Them hominy grits.
Hominy.
Alright, we're going to start off with 2 cups of chicken bone broth. Put that into our large saucepan, medium heat. Once we get that going, we're going to add 1 cup Quaker Instant grits. They take about 5 minutes to make. And we're going to keep stirring that until it thickens. You don't want it to stick on the bottom of the pan. And once that thickens up, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're going to stir that until the butter melts. And then I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of aged, finely grated Gouda cheese. And we'll mix that in real good. And once that gets mixed in, we're going to move that off the heat and let that set while we do our shrimp. We're going to need a medium to large frying pan, non-stick preferably. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. Turn the heat on medium and get that butter to melt. As that butter is melting, we're going to add a few dashes of Frank's red hot sauce and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce and about 2 cloves of garlic. And we'll mix that up real good. Get that heated up. Then I've got some 16 to 21 size shrimp. Tails are still on, but they're deveined. I'm going to add those to our sauce mixture. And then I'm going to season with Tony Chachere's Louisiana seasoning and smoked paprika. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, subscribe, and share the channel. And make sure you hit that bell to stay up to date with our newest recipes. I appreciate it. And after about 2.5 minutes, we're going to flip these shrimp over. And then we'll season them on the other side. Cook them for another 2 minutes or so. And then it'll be time to plate. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, then they become rubbery. So keep an eye on them. And we're going to put our grits in the bottom of the bowl, top them with our shrimp. And I sliced up some green onion, put that on top. And you got yourself a southern classic shrimp and grits. Alright, I hope you enjoy these. I know I did. And come back soon. Thank you.